Hello, lovely fifth graders. It's Miss Morgan. I'm going to make this video and I'm going to help you think through and work through a problem that's long division or standard algorithm, whichever one you want to call it. And we're going to work through this one together. Remember that this is a video, so you can pause it, you can rewind it, you can watch it as many times as you need to help you be able to do the work for today. So I'm going to share my screen and let's go through this problem together. This problem is 9/10 divided by 2. So we want to make groups of 2. That's our divisor. We're going to make groups of 2, and we're thinking, okay, how many groups of 2 can I make if I have 9/10? Remember that we're going to go through these 4 steps. Remember our song? We're first going to divide our groups, then we're going to multiply, then we're going to subtract, then we're going to bring down. Bring it on down and bring it on back. Divide. Then we multiply. It's just the same 4 steps over and over and over. Remember to make your check marks to help you remember which step you're on. So first we're going to start with dividing our groups. When I'm thinking about my groups, I'm like, okay, I know this 2 is my divisor, so I will always count by 2s. I'm going to always count by 2s. Okay, I'm thinking, how many times is 2 able to fit into 9? Okay, well, I'm going to get my fingers out and I'm going to divide my groups. That's step 1. Divide my groups. Okay, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. I don't have 10 things, I only have 9 things. So I have to put that one down, 2, 4, 6, 8. I can make 4 groups of 2 if I have 9 things. I'm gonna put this 4 up top. I can make 4 groups. Okay, I just divided my groups. Now my job is to multiply. I go down to multiply, okay. Well, 4 times 2 is 8. Okay, I'm gonna put that down right here. All right, I just multiplied, I go down my list, divide, multiply, and subtract. Okay, I'm going to subtract. I'm going to put my check marks to make sure that I know where I'm at. 9 minus 8 is 1. Okay, bring it on down and bring it on back. Okay, I need to bring it on down. Well, I remember that from yesterday, we have something called a remainder, and we have like the leftovers. We have 1 left over. I don't just want to like leave that 1 as my remainder. I want to like keep working it out so that I can split this 2 evenly. So I'm going to add a 0. I'm going to put a 0 at the end of this number, because if I put a 0 right here, I didn't change the value. 0.9 and 0.90 are the same value. I could put 0, 0, 0, 0, 0. All of these zeros, because it's after this decimal point, doesn't change the value at all. So this 0 is going to, it says there's nothing there, I'm just going to put the 0 in so that I can hold that place value. All right, so now I have something to bring down. I know I'm on my bring it down step. So I'm going to bring down this 0. Bring it on down and bring it on back. So I know I'm going to go right back up to the top. I have to start with dividing my groups. Okay, well, I know I'm always going to be dividing by 2. I'm always going to be counting by 2. 2 is what's going to be my groups. So I'm going to say, okay, how many times does 2 go into 10? Let's get our fingers out and we count. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. That went in 5 times. That went in perfectly. Okay, I just divided my groups because I got my fingers out and I counted my groups. Okay, my next step is multiply. Okay, 5 times 2 is 10. I'll write that down. Okay, done with my multiply step. I'm going to check it off. Okay, now I have to subtract. Minus 10 minus 10 is 0. Oh, okay, I got rid of my remainder. Nice. So I just subtracted. My next step is bring it down. I have no more numbers to bring down, and I don't have a remainder because I'm left with 0 at the end. So the only thing I'm thinking is like, okay, my answer, I remember I was in the 10th place before, and I'm now in the 100th place. So my decimal cannot move. My decimal, remember, is tattooed. It does not move. It stays in the same place. So I have 0.45 or 45 hundredths is my answer. That's my quotient. So I can put that here in my box. All right, y'all. So here is an example of a problem that we had a remainder and we got rid of our remainder. We just kept on dividing by adding a 0. So feel free to watch that back as many times as you need to help you out with your work today. Good luck, y'all. You can always text or call me if you have questions.